To transfer funds from Bitcoin to Cash App, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must have a Cash App account and a Bitcoin wallet. If you do not have a Cash App account, download the app and sign up by providing the required information. Next, ensure you have a Bitcoin wallet with a sufficient balance. You can use any Bitcoin wallet, but for this example, we will use the Bitcoin wallet on the Cash App. To access the Bitcoin wallet, open the Cash App, tap the Bitcoin tab, and follow the prompts to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Once your Bitcoin wallet is set up, you can proceed to transfer your Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet. Tap the Bitcoin tab, then tap Sell, and select the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You will be asked to confirm the sale, and once confirmed, the funds will be transferred to your Cash App wallet. After the funds are in your Cash App wallet, you can transfer them to your bank account. Tap the Cash tab, then tap Cash Out, and select the amount you want to transfer. You will be asked to select your bank account or debit card, and the funds will be transferred. It is essential to note that transferring Bitcoin to Cash App and then to your bank account may take a few days to complete, and there may be fees associated with the transfer. Additionally, the value of Bitcoin can fluctuate rapidly, so the amount of money you receive may be different from the amount you sold your Bitcoin for. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to follow the instructions carefully, and do not hesitate to contact Cash App support if you encounter any problems. It is also crucial to keep your account and wallet information secure to prevent any unauthorized access. In conclusion, transferring funds from Bitcoin to Cash App is a straightforward process that requires you to have a Cash App account and a Bitcoin wallet. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily transfer your Bitcoin to your Cash App wallet and then to your bank account. Always be aware of the potential fees and the fluctuating value of Bitcoin to ensure a smooth transfer.